So I received a good number of spinach fufu requests, with Esther requesting that I use ground spinach. I can buy frozen ground spinach where I live, so for this spinach fufu, I'll be using just that. Look for frozen ground spinach in the frozen foods section of your local supermarket. If you live in Spain, this is what mine looks like. You can buy it from Mercadona, but if you can only buy leafy spinach, chop it a bit and grind it in a blender. Then sieve like I did in the other vegetable fufu recipes. The link for those should pop up on the screen right now. This works for every other leafy vegetable you may have. Ugu, kale, green amaranth, all the bobo-tibo leaves. So continuing with my frozen ground spinach. If I want to use it to make spinach fufu, say tomorrow afternoon, I'll bring it out of the freezer this evening, that is today's evening. Put it in a plate like this and place on my kitchen counter to defrost naturally. Here I have about 500 grams of frozen spinach. By lunchtime the next day, it will look like this. Put it in a pot, spread them out and start cooking on medium heat. When it starts boiling, stir continuously for about 2 minutes. Then add the binder. I first of all added half a teaspoon of Psyllium husk to see how it goes. For those asking, Psyllium husk is an all-natural ingredient. See it. List of ingredients: ground husk of Psyllium seeds. It's organic too. For allergies, it can contain traces of gluten, soy, sesame, or dry fruits. That's all! Continue stirring the spinach fufu till a moldable dough forms. But it be like say it go hard though. With that quantity of Psyllium husk that I added, I add another half a teaspoon. The recommended serving for Psyllium husk is 10 grams. That is 2 teaspoons per day. So we are still okay. It is still not behaving, oh. If you are on a strict low-carb diet, I suggest you stop here right now. Wrap this spinach fufu and manage it like that. For everybody else, I am going to add oat flour because I do not want to continue adding Psyllium husk. I add 1 teaspoon of oat flour, then stir quickly to crush the lumps and watch it work its wonder. You can see that the dough has formed by fire by force. Carbohydrate is useful, oh. That's it. TEJ suggested that I should use parchment paper, also known as baking sheet, to wrap the fufu instead of plastic film. So here we go. This is baking sheet, oh, not tissue. This brand used to make brown baking sheet, but recently they changed it to this white one that looks like tissue. I prefer the brown one. So yes, you can use parchment paper to wrap it. The downside of that for a food blogger like me is that it stuck to the paper when I unwrapped it. I can't get a nice photo for you guys that way, so I had to go back to my plastic wrapper so that I can get it all smooth like this. I served it with sunflower seeds Egusi soup. Ooh, the link to the recipe should pop up on the screen right now. Yeli. Yeli, wasaono. Ni kene kwem. Any of you guys. See an They can hear me smacking my lips. Ah. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, man. The whole I don't think I need vegetable. Wow. It's not bad. Look at it molds. Yeah, it's sticky, but it molds. Wow. Hey, this thing na top pieces so. I want to talk about go. Okay, let me do double mold. See, it's good. I hope this is not too much vegetable for my stomach. I'm messing my hands up. Madre mia. See? Clean plate. Yummy.